I saw the old house once again. Its walls still carry time and pain. The wind moves softly through the frames, like memories calling out my name. Mother was there inside the room, silent beneath the leaking roof, and rain kept falling from above, like tears pouring through our home of love. I was searching for a place to keep her safe and warm somehow, but she looked at me as if the rain belonged to life somehow. And the water kept rising high, swallowing the roads outside. I was running through the night, trying not to lose you twice. Everything was falling apart, still I tried to save your heart. Even through the floods, loud cry, I kept calling out your name that night. The others had already gone, their footsteps fading with the dawn, and I stood there all alone, watching everything I'd known. Bulldozers building up a wall, but the water crossed through it all. I climbed through rocks and through my fear, with your absence always near. And suddenly I saw you there, standing quietly in the rain, like you had crossed the flood somehow, just to walk beside me once again. And the water kept rising high, swallowing the roads outside. I was running through the night, trying not to lose you twice. Everything was falling apart, still I tried to save your heart. Even through the floods, loud cry, I kept calling out your name that night. And your face was not the same, yet deep inside I knew your name. I knew somehow it still was you. Though the dream kept breaking through, I wanted time to stop right there, to keep you safe from every storm. But dreams are rivers in the dark, we can never truly hold. And sometimes rain still falls on me when I remember that dark street, that old house, and your distant eyes, that silent moment of goodbye. And though the night has come and gone, I still carry deep within the fragile warmth, the fleeting truth, that one night I walked with you.